Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries fire sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is October monthly reading. So let's see your recent past Aries. Five of Wands, Knight of Swords, Seven of Cups. So one person have confusion in this connection. They are fantasizing about the other person a lot but not making any right decision. This could be you or your person, but some communication is going to be happened in past. So one person is fighting for the other person. Five of Wands, definitely it could be you or your person. It could be you are fighting for your person attention, or your person is fighting for your attention. And if you are fighting for your person attention, definitely you are very rushing towards your person, or your person is fighting for your attention, your person rushing towards you. They are fantasizing about you a lot. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. That was fast. The Star. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Nine of Swords. Temperance. Yeah. Still there is hope for this connection. One person, but one person in this connection is in anxiety and depression. One person in this connection, Aries, Leo, Sag, especially Sag. Definitely there is patience and balance is needed in this connection right now. Let's see some more messages. The Devil. Lot of readings got this Devil card. Obsession everywhere. Knight of Cups. Eight of Wands. Yeah. Or you or your person could be Capricorn also. Knight of Cups. So one person in this connection have strong emotions for the other person. Eight of Wands. Definitely things are moving very fastly, and you both will communicate back and forth. Eight of Wands. Definitely there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you. So let's pull some cards from your person near future actions towards you, Aries. Let's see your person near future actions towards you. Queen of Swords. Wow, the Sun. Two cards. That's why I'm not. Knight of Wands. Yeah, your person want to come towards you, and they want to give clarity to you. Queen of Swords. They are ready for this connection, and they want this happiness with you, and they want to come towards you. After they coming, if you are not giving what they are giving to you back, definitely they will cut them off, because Queen of Swords is stand by their power, and they are very clear about what they are doing. Definitely they want to come towards you. Definitely they will coming. So let's pull some more cards from the universe for final message. Nine of Wands. Three of Cups. Reconciliation. Yeah, Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames also. 11 and 11. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, one person investing in this connection more than the other person, and yeah, they are waiting for the result. Definitely you will both will be reunite, because Four of Wands with Three of Cups. Reconciliation. So one person in this connection is like waiting for the result. I think they're guarded up. And Seven of Pentacles. This could be you or your person. Definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation. Your person want to come towards you. They want to give clarity what they need and what they want in this connection, Aries. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of fire energy, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.